So once you pass that number, suppose if you want to get this one 21, so this is the eighth number, eighth element. So if you enter eighth number here, eighth number you have passed it here, so that will be read by this parameter. As I told you that system dot in, so system dot in, this is a parameter. This is what it is related to system class. System class is part of language package. Okay, so this input field, it will be used to read the user input. This 8 user input will be read by this. So this system.in passed in scanner class constructor. This is the constructor of scanner class. Constructor. Okay. So here I have passed the system.in. It will read the your input stream given by the keyboard. So that will be read by this method, nextInt method. This is accessed by object created for scanner class. This nextInt method is a scanner class method. So you can access scanner class method only by creating an object created. So by dot operator, this method used to read this input. Now this method reads that input 8, okay, integer number, and stores that number in x. X is a variable, it holds integer type of data. Now x is equal to what? 8. So you are requesting for system.out.println. It is a string I have kept here, that is concatenated with x and one more string. So x value will be taken as 8. So the value of 8th element you write here, 8th element of Fibonacci series. Next plus function fibo x is equal to what? 8. So now compiler goes to this method where it is method defined as a user defined method. It looks for this method. Now 8 int x is equal to 8. If x is equal to 0, return 0. So initial value 0. Okay, else if x is equal to 1, this will be published, return 1. Okay, else return fibo x minus 1 plus fibo x minus 2. Because if you want to get this element 21 equal to, I told you that 21 will be gotten by just before addition of these two numbers. So if I 13 removed from 21 will be x minus 1. This is if I want to get 21, so 21 minus 13, x minus 1 means just before first element. So 21 minus 13 becomes 8 plus fibo x minus 2 means 21 minus x is what? Unknown number 21. Suppose I want to get 8th element. So 8th means unknown number, nth element. Okay, 8th element, if that x is equal to what? 8. So 8 minus second number, first number this one, second number this one. So 21 minus 8. Okay, 21 minus second element 8, 13 plus 8, 21. So we will get this number. Okay, so if you want to get 8th number, so by x minus 1, x minus 2. Same if you want to get this one. Okay, nth element, seventh element. So 7th element means, what is that 7th element? 7th element means, see, 7 minus 1 means fibo 6. This called fibo 6 function, fibo 6. It becomes, suppose if you want to get this number, na, so 8th element means 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1, 7. Fibo 7. It becomes what? Next 8 minus 2, Fibo 6. Okay. Now means function 6 and function 7 values. Function 7, this is called function 1, function 2, function 3, function 4, function 5, function 6, function 7, function 8. Okay, function 8. So whenever function 8, when int Fibo 8 means 8 minus 1 7, 8 minus 2 6. So function Fibo 7 plus Fibo 6. Fibo 7 gives this value and Fibo 6 will give this value, Fibo 6. Why? Because Fibo x means function 1 is equal to, okay, function 1 is equal to this one. Understood that or not? Okay, whenever, see here, if you compile this code, so what happen, suppose if you want to get Fibonacci series 10th element is equal to 55. So this is up to 34, next is 55. Why? 55 will be 34 plus 21, otherwise you will get this number by addition of 55 minus 34. If it is 55 is x minus 34, x minus, this is our syntax, x minus first element, x minus this, if it is x minus 34, what? 21, plus x minus 2, 55 minus 21, 34, plus addition of these two just before preceded, these are called preceded element, it's just before this x, whatever the number, nth element you want to get. So if it is x, you want to know nth element, xth element, so that is called 10th element. So here 10 minus 1 means Fibo 9, 10 minus 2 Fibo 8. So this is the 10, this is Fibo 9, this is Fibo 8. If you want to get this x is equal to 10th, if you have feed number, enter number is equal to enter number 10, enter your number, you have had 10. So now x becomes what? Fibo x 10. So 10 will be passed here, x will be 10 passed here. So 10 means if x is equal to 0, return 0. If x is equal to 1, return. But if x is equal to 10, so it returns what? This statement will be executed. These two statements will not be executed. This is if else statements. If first statement executed, right, this will be written. If second statement is x is equal to 1, this will be executed, otherwise this will be executed. Here x is equal to 10, 10 minus 1 means 9, x 10 minus 2 8, so this is 10, so this is value is 9, f9, Fibo 9, this will be Fibo 8, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8 equal to 55. Suppose if you compile this one, so whenever you compile this one, so if you enter 0, so it returns what? 0, where you have entered the 0 value. Same left hand side of an assignment must be a variable. Okay, error, enter a number 0. So let us see if one more time, if I compiled, if I enter number 1, what happened? Assignment must be a variable. So next, if I compile one more time, enter a variable 2 means, so here is that error. Okay, value of third element 2, that moment 0 will not be considered. So value of fourth element